Alright, short video tonight, kind of a slow, boring day, and there's not a lot of setups that I could find. So AOL with this volume spike up into recent highs. I want to watch this both ways, a breakout through recent highs or an attempt and a failure and a decent short, because it's had a lot of trouble with that blue line area there. So GNC got this huge volume pop on an intraday basis. You can see it here. Big spike, pullback, and then a secondary spike. So again, want to watch this one for either follow through or maybe a failure and a short idea. MOBI, kind of well, it stayed in the upper range, upper half of let's see, of Wednesday's candle on Thursday, and really just kind of formed a day-long flag. So up over 10 or 10.15, 10.20 with any volume could push through this recent high. MOBI. I want to watch HPJ. Talked about this one the other day too. This isn't that compelling. I'd like to see it come down, near the 20-day or at least the 8-day. Maybe an intraday turn there, but I think that one needs to come in for another day or two, and then I really am interested. CREG, big volume push today on, I don't know if it was a CEO or CFO or someone high up in the company bought some crazy amount of shares a few days ago. I don't remember, something like 18 million or something crazy like that. Don't quote me on that, but anyway, so the crowd started finding that today, and that one may have some follow through tomorrow. So I want to watch CREG. ISNS is a little obscure, but these and VII, they're coming way down. ISNS still trading over 1 million in a day, so this one has better potential. It's a better trader than that VII. That VII is a swing trade for me, but this one's kind of interesting because it sold off on pretty good volume this morning, and it felt like kind of like capitulation. Next thing you know, it pushes through the high of the day and then sideways all day. So this could have been, the bottom on this one. I'm not calling it as the bottom, I'm saying it could have been. So I want to watch this space tomorrow, the DGLY, ISNS. But this is the one I've chosen to watch for a potential bounce tomorrow. I mean, it's not a beautiful setup, but these are coming down far enough now where risk reward, I think, actually is starting to favor the longs, at least for a bounce. SINO, one of those insane moves that we've seen a lot of stocks do lately, from $1.50 to over $4.50, but now 3 days in a row down. That goes on bounce watch. And IFON, kind of the same deal, an insane move, 2 days down in a row, almost a round trip though, but I still want to watch IFON for a bounce watch too. I'm not in love with anything on this list. Hoping to find something to trade on well, tomorrow's Alibaba, so BABA comes public, and that'll get all the attention. And I doubt I'll even trade that one. It's got so much hype like Facebook did, and Facebook ended up being a total fizzle as far as trying to trade it. So we'll see. But this is the list I'm starting with. And, hopefully the fellas and the women in chat will all team up together and find some better stuff to trade. Or hopefully one of these will give a real nice setup. My goal every day is to find 1 or 2 really nice setups and trade them. No one can accuse me of over trading. I'm very patient, and I just wait for the setups to form. As you see in our videos, every once in a while I'll make a follow-up video and show you how and what we traded. And generally I look for stuff that, hey, if it gets to this price, we should get an immediate reaction. And so if I don't have a setup like that, I'm very comfortable sitting in cash. You want to be careful not to overtrade, because every little loss takes away from the nice gains on the intelligent trade. So just be careful not to overtrade. Try to be patient when trading and wait for the proper setups, and I think you do a lot better than trading like crazy like some people do. All right, I'm going to quit babbling. We'll talk to you tomorrow.